Bonjour à tous. Welcome back to another exciting episode on our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of tablets, more specifically, the brand new Android N-One NpadX. Sporting Android 13, 4G, a 2K resolution, and the powerhouse Helio G99 processor. But the cherry on top? It doesn't make your wallet cry. Let's unbox the brilliance. Right off the bat, what's inside the box? A sleek tablet awaits, accompanied by a premium flip cover to protect your new beauty. They also throw in a USB-C to USB-C cable, a robust 20W charger, and, wait for it, a glass screen protector. Talk about value. This machine boasts dimensions of 258 x 162 x 7, 5 mm weighing in at a modest 525 grams. Perfect for on-the-go entertainment or work. Gaze upon this. An IPS in-cell screen measuring 10.95 inches diagonally, delivering a sharp 2K resolution of 2000 x 1200. Your Netflix binges just got an upgrade. Snap those Zoom calls with an 8MP front camera. On the left, dual speakers. To the right, options for 2 SIM cards or a SIM and a micro SD, coupled with another set of speakers. Oh, and did we mention? This isn't just a Wi-Fi tablet. It supports 2G, 3G, and 4G. The top houses volume controls and the power button. Snap with precision with a 20MP rear camera accompanied by a 2MP macro lens. Powering all this? A massive 8,600 mAh battery that supports 18 Wpd charging. Let's take a brief moment. If you're enjoying this overview, hit that like button. Not impressed? Feel free to hit dislike. Feedback always helps. Under the hood, the Helio G99 processor does the heavy lifting, boasting a whopping 364,841 Antutu benchmark score. It's complemented by 16 GB LPDDR4 RAM, 8 GB physical plus 8 GB virtual, and 128 GB UFS internal storage. Don't fret, expand that with a micro SD of up to 1 TB. Want a game? Real Racing 3 runs buttery smooth. Joining the party is Bluetooth 5.0, dual-band Wi-Fi, and an array of GPS systems. Although it misses out on 5G, the 2K screen, micro SD slot, and the G99 processor more than compensate. Price tag? Just €205 22 cents on Banggood, and Euro 212 on AliExpress in Europe. For our international viewers, that's approximately Euro 177 excluding taxes. What are your thoughts on the N-One NpadX? Comment below. Before you leave, a like or dislike is appreciated. And if you haven't yet, subscribe for more exciting reviews coming your way. Until our next rendezvous, au revoir.